Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to rearrange pages in Word. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Word, so this video will show you how to rearrange pages. Okay, here you will see I have 4 pages, 1 2 3 and 4. Now if I want to rearrange this page, so you have to use first one trick. Okay, here you have to just go to every page. Okay, and then you have to give a heading here. Okay, so this is page 1. Okay, now just click on heading 1, then go to page 2, and here page 2 heading, then page 3 heading, and then page 4 heading. Okay, now you have to arrange this like this. Okay, on every page you have to just add a heading. Okay, heading 1 or heading 2. Then what you have to do, then you have to go into view option. Okay, so when you go into view option, here you will see outline or outline. Okay, now you have to click on outline, then here you will see page 1, page 2, this is page 3, and this is page 4. So as I want that this page 3 should be in place of page 1, so what you have to do, you have to just move your place your cursor here. Okay, then move here. Okay, now you will see page 3 is here, page 1 is here. Okay, so like this you can rearrange. So when I close outlines, here you will see page 3 is number 1, page 2 is here, and page like this. Okay, so like this you can rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.